If you have sugar problem, okay, please kindly make sure you control it, or you even bring it back to the normal level before you get to what type 2 diabetes. We mostly talk about the prevention because treating a particular disease is not that easy. And most of the time, when you have condition like diabetes, it will come with other complication. Example, high blood pressure and what kidney failure. That is, if you do not control your type 2 diabetic, well, it can what damage the blood vessel that are found in your kidney, thereby what retaining waste products in your blood, and it will what affect you. So please, if you hear someone talking about prevention, kindly what listen to it. There are some common high blood pressure medication that they give those who are suffering from this high blood pressure, or those who have type 2 diabetes. Let me put it that way. If you have type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure tend to set in, if you are not careful, the medication that they may be giving to you can even worsen or what cause kidney failure. Okay, so that is why I keep saying that prevention is always what better than cure. I'm not saying the medication it is not good, but certain medication that they give to those who are suffering from high blood pressure because they have underlying health condition like type 2 diabetes, the same medication that is trying to control the high blood pressure can affect the kidney. So please kindly take good care of yourself. If you have sugar problem, make sure you control it before you get to what type 2 diabetes. Not that you will what have complication, or you find it difficult to what to control it, because as you are focusing on controlling your sugar level, you are also trying to focus on what bringing your blood pressure to normal. That is, if you have type 2 diabetes and you don't control it properly, it can result to what high blood pressure. So always what adhere to the preventive measures. Don't sit there and wait for symptoms to come before you start running to the hospital. Once in a while, go and check your sugar level and also check your high blood pressure, so that they can prevent it before it will get to a stage that they have to give you a medication. Most people sit in the house waiting for symptoms to pop up before they run to the hospital, and most of them they have certain disease that is running within the family. They don't have any idea. The only thing that they are even waiting for is, or the only thing that will even activate that is, if they live a certain lifestyle that have switched that disease gene that they've inherited, and they start experiencing symptoms, then they run to the hospital. So all I'm trying to say is, if you have sugar problem, try and control it before it gets to what diabetic stage. Because if you are not lucky or you are not careful, as you are treating the diabetes, your pressure can increase, and as you are even trying to control your blood pressure with medication, the same medication can also affect your kidneys. That is why prevention is always better than cure. Don't wait for symptoms to start manifesting before you go to the hospital. Please, once in a while, kindly go to the hospital and get yourself checked. It's for your own good.